There we have it, the closing bells on Bay Street and Wall Street. I'm afraid it was another down day for the stock markets. The S&P 500 bouncing off its lows of the day. It was volatile, though. At one point, it was briefly ahead, as Rich Gupta pointed out, but ending up down about 0.6%.
0.4% here on tech for Maine. And as we've been mentioning, the big swing up on Wednesday to the big decline down Thursday. Some of the biggest volatile moments that we've had in this market going back since the 70s.
Remember yesterday we were quoting Dow points?
I know.
I don't think we need to do that today. We're down 86 points if you care about that on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. It's going to finish the day down roughly about 0.3% as we wait for these numbers to settle. On a weekly basis, though, that's only down by about 0.2% here. So when you talk about the idea that maybe this wasn't sort of the panic selling that we saw all week and that people are willing to buy this dip, maybe that's representative of that. The S&P lower by 23 points or about 0.6% on the day, only down about 0.2% on a weekly basis. The Nasdaq not faring as well. It's down about 1.4% on the day and about 1.5% on the week. And the Russell 2000, you really have to keep an eye on some of these small cap names because we saw some pretty persistent selling here all day long. In fact, all week long, the Russell 2000 lower by 1.7%, Carol.
Yeah, I'm just going to draw your attention to the best and worst performing.
Healthcare, too. Materials are the hardest hit right now. The Nasdaq 100 going out with a decline of 1.2%. So that really has been where the pain has been felt. It's down about 1.25% for the week, which shows you the underperformance of technology. Nasdaq Composite down 1.4%. Have a good weekend. That's it for me on Closing Bell. Send it into overtime with Scott.
All right, sir. No, it has been a tough week. The major averages are wrapping up the session right now, off the lows, but still down for the week. Looks like about a 100-point loss for the Dow. S&P down 24, the Nasdaq down 171. Again, slightly lower for the whole week, but who knows what next week brings. We will be right here to follow every minute of it.